Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here at Treviso Bay. We are previewing our listing. This is Giaveno unit 1212. This is a Bellini floor plan, part of the terraces here included with golf membership at Treviso Bay. Let's take a look at this awesome unit. To the left, we're gonna have your master bedroom, big enough to have a king-size suite like you see here. And wrapping around the corner, you have his and hers closets. Then you've got the master bath with the single sink and standalone shower. Now coming back into the hallway, we're gonna jut across and you're gonna have your guest bedroom and your guest bath. So here's your guest bedroom here, shown with a full-size bed. Many people will use twins as well. And then you have your guest bath here with the combination shower and tub. Now back to the hallway again, you have your washer dryer located right here in the center. Full-size washer and dryer with a rack for storage. And then you come into the great room portion of the home here. To the right, this owner has set it up as a nice seating area. Many people will put a pull-out couch here for additional sleeping. And then you have your kitchen area. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, wood cabinets. And this overlooks your eat-in kitchen area and also your great room here. Notice as well, another feature, you do have crown molding in all the main areas. And you also have crown molding in the master bedroom. Best part about this condo is the view though. This is the only building here that really gets a full on lake view from start to finish, and you're going to see the beautiful sunsets just right above there as well. It's a nice westerly facing unit here. So this Bellini unit is being offered unfurnished, and the price on this is $239,900. That's a steal here. It comes with a golf membership included. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right about 1,200 square foot. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach out to us, Roberto at trevisobay@naples.com. You can also call 239-671-4046. And for all the latest and greatest information regarding Treviso Bay, you can visit trevisobay@naples.com. Thanks for looking, guys.